Hello, everybody, and welcome to the 22nd of March, the week beginning. And we are on the CC Assembly, CU Assembly. We know what we're aiming for. We want everybody to have a great, caring attitude. We want to be trying our best. We want to be learning, especially from our mistakes. We're going for improvement and progress. We use our education to help us to make great choices. We never give up. We are CC learners. We know that physical strength is important. It's important to exercise, to sleep well, to eat well. But really what's important, the real strength, is the strength that comes from inside you when you aim and you live and you strive to be your very best. And that helps you to solve any problem that you face. That's character strength. And when you have a problem, you say to yourself, well, which character strength am I going to use? And last week, we focused on the character strength of appreciation of beauty and excellence. So that means if you see, recognize, admire, celebrate, you see beauty around you, or you see talent, skill around you, you are okay with that. You actually celebrate it. You don't get insecure, jealous, anxious, or worried. You just say, yes, I can see that is amazing. And you get inspired by it. So who are Grange pupils of power? Well, I was looking to see who got appreciation of beauty and excellence this week. I didn't see anybody. So I'm asking for teachers in lower key stage 2, adults, educators in lower key stage 2. If you see anybody with a character strength of the week, please make sure you log it. So here we go. This week, our character strength, the focus is hope. So what does it mean to live with hope? Well, you've got to be really strong and you've got to be really brave to live with hope, because things can go wrong in life and it's easy to just sort of expect the worst. But if you really say to yourself, I really hope for good things to come, and you really try your hardest to make good things happen, well, if you're brave enough to set out to succeed and do well, even though you know that things can go wrong, you live with hope, well, then that is very powerful. And you can see over here an image, and you can think about that image. Here's a flower growing in the crack. And sometimes things crack or they go wrong, but something beautiful can come out of that. And that's the point with hope. You don't give up just because things crack or go wrong, or because they could crack or go wrong. You live with hope. And that's our Grange CC way. Confidence and consideration. That's our philosophy for life. So who were our gold stars of the week? Well, we had Zainab, we had Dana, we had Atif, we had Ramanullah. We had a lot of class champions. Let's see, Sophie W. in Seacole, Anashiri in Nightingale, Branshika in Lister, Andrada in Beckham, Semina in Ennis, and Atif in Holmes. Well done, class champions. Grange House of Water, Semina, Dennis B, Dima, Alex B, flying in is Alana, Zachariah, and Yusuf M, and the swivel goes to Delia. Well done. Here we go. Sorry about that, slight mistake there. And Grange House of Fire, we've got Amara, Tiago, Jalal, Branshika, Rocky San, Leo, Ananga, Jahim. Flying in is Jeshwin, Gala, and the swivel goes to Laurentio. Jahim, you should have got a fly in as well. Sorry about that. And Grange House of Air, 4,982 points. Andrada, Uzair, Adna, Anna Maria, Mohammed K, Tiana, Adrian R. Flying in is Farah, Daria, and the swivel goes to Sophie W. Well done. Grange House of Earth, Nahara, Sanuja, Shifa, and Jacob. And I really should have had Jacob. You should have got the swivel over there. Ah, no, there we go. Renea, Zara M, you flying in. Sharia got the swivel, and Jacob, you should have got the swivel. We're going to have to try and make sure that you get the swivel next week. Well done. So positive CC points, 20,843 brilliant points altogether. Classy classes, Holmes class, Ennis class, and look at Seacole class. Unbelievable. So we have already smashed it, and we are going for the classy class is going to go for the handprints on the service road. Please sign up for the quiz. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live with hope. Adults and educators, please give out points for hope when you see people living optimistically, not scared of cracks or things going wrong. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Character strength, hope. There's a great week ahead. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.